Outlaw, a KXAN investigative project. Our team is looking at the connection between a 50-year-old state law banning homosexual conduct and the record number of legislative proposals introduced in 2023 impacting LGBTQ+ Texans. The debate surrounding many of those bills focused on children and families. Some passed into law, some are challenged in court, and others are bound to resurface in future sessions. Some failed state proposals are now being implemented in various forms at the local level, as KXAN's Kelsey Thompson found.
Yes, and that includes new policies at several Texas school districts restricting conversations on both gender identity and sexual orientation among students and staff. Katy ISD approved in late August a new policy that requires staff to inform district families if their child identifies as transgender or requests a different name or pronoun at school. It also discourages discussion about the topics in classrooms. Keller and Carroll ISDs in North Texas also enacted related policies over the summer.
Now, this follows a failed gender identity bill in the last legislative session that would have created policies like these statewide, right?
Yes, Senate Bill 1072 was designed to prohibit instruction on gender identity and sexual orientation for students in pre-kindergarten through 12th grade. Some proponents of the measure told senators the measure would have added safeguards for not only students, but teachers in school districts as well. But opponents said they worried the bill would ostracize LGBTQ+ students and could be vague in its interpretation.
It really protects all children to guard those topics for the appropriate teacher classrooms, again, who've been trained in the law and know the state standards and what's expected to be taught on those topics.
I think we have to keep in mind that a public school is a community and we have to do what is best for the community. And that community is pretty diverse and comes with a lot of different people. We need to make sure that all are being taken care of.
The bill passed the full Senate before stalling late in the session, and that kind of progress has some saying it could reemerge next session. But we know a similar law already exists in Florida.
Yes, that's Florida's parental rights in education law. It took effect back in 2022 before being expanded earlier this year. Florida's expanded law prohibits gender identity and sexual orientation instructions for students in pre-kindergarten through 8th grade statewide. Regarding Texas's legislation, KXAN did reach out to Senator Brian Hughes' office to see if he plans to refile next session.
We did not hear back by the time of this report, but we'll update the story online with any response we receive.